Yes, in the last class, we have successfully completed up to HTML related introduction. Clearly, we have completed up to HTML related introduction. Now, today class, what is the thing we are going to do is we are going to start with the HTML related practical things. Okay, right. So, first of all, if you want to learn any technology, we need to have two softwares. One is IDE, second one is output console. For example, we are practicing HTML technology. So where we need to check the output? What is the output console for a HTML browser? So there are five famous browsers in the world. There are five famous browsers in the world: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer or Edge, Opera and Safari. These are the five famous browsers in the world. Among these five, Internet Explorer or Edge, by default they will come with Windows computers. Okay, Safari automatically comes with Mac computer. What is it, everybody? Mac OS. Okay, right. Opera is default within the Linux or Unix computers. Okay, everybody. So remaining two, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, we need to install manually. So among these five, I would like to suggest you that install Mozilla Firefox. Why? Because it is programmer friendly browser. Programmer friendly browser means how much latest HTML tag also, how much latest CSS property also, okay, how much latest CSS property also, how much latest JavaScript syntax also, it is easily able to understand. Who? Mozilla Firefox easily able to understand. Clear it, everyone? Can you respond? Hello. Mozilla
Yes.
Firefox easily able to understand. Okay, everybody? Right. Okay. Yes. Remaining browsers we need to install manually only. Okay, right. So we have discussed about the browser. Then after, what is important thing? IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. In simple words, where we can develop the application, where we can develop the application in the code editor. What is it, everybody? Code editor. So simple words, IDE means code editor, where you can edit your code. So here I'm going to use Notepad++. Sir, why Notepad++? Everybody using nowadays Visual Studio Code, Yatam, that type of advanced IDEs they are using. But why are you teaching in Notepad++? Why? Because if you are fresher to any technology, not only UI technologies, if you are fresher to any technology, you need to learn, you need to practice by using any basic IDEs only. Why? Because if you are using any fancy IDEs like Visual Studio Code or Yatam, very advanced, okay, softwares if you are using, then what happens is, for example, if you are using Visual Studio Code, you have typed there A, then what happens? All the list related to A will come. All the function list related to A will come. So what happens? You will choose any one of the method name. You will choose any one of the method name. Clear it, everybody? You will choose any one of the function name. So whenever you choose the function name, automatically it will comes with the spellings and it will comes with the syntax. Then what is the disadvantage here? Advantage, okay, it is making your application faster. But what is the disadvantage here? You are not writing the spellings and syntaxes by your own. You are not writing the syntaxes and the spellings by your own. So whenever they ask you to write code in the pen and paper, you are not able to write. Why? Because you did not practice. So you are not aware of the spellings and syntaxes. So that's why better to practice any basic IDE like Notepad or Notepad++ maximum. So better to avoid practicing the Visual Studio Code or Yatam. Why? Because it is updated, okay. But in the interview, they don't give you Visual Studio Code or Yatam. They will give only basic IDs only. If you want to get a job, first of all, you need to clear the interview. Interview, they are not providing in the system test, they are not providing the Visual Studio Code or Yatam. Maybe they will ask you write in the code in the Notepad++, or else some people they will ask you to write in the paper only. Understanding my point? Respond, Eva. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so better to practice in the Notepad++. Okay, right. So okay, sir. Okay, how to install? How to get that Notepad++? Very simple. First of all, go to the google.com. Type there Notepad++ download. Open that. See it, everybody. Notepad++ download, and you are getting these things. Now right click. Yeah, see there, coming like this. See, there are so many versions. There are so many versions. People will feel a little bit confusion. No need to worry. If you want to install any software, so better to install stable version. If nothing is specified as stable version, then only go to the latest version. But here, luckily, latest version this is, and it is specified as stable and auto updated triggered also. That means what, we can install this in Notepad++. This is latest as well as it is stable. So what is the rule in software industry? Always you need to prefer the stable version. If nothing is specified as stable version, then only we need to go to the latest version. Okay, this is specified latest and stable also. Now click here. After clicking, somebody they don't check where they are re-clicking also. See, there is a button called download. There directly they will click here, or else they will click on here also, or else they will click somewhere also. So they don't find appropriate download button. So first of all, need to check that software related icon. See, everybody, this is the download button, Notepad++. Now we need to click here, and you will get a MSI file. Then we need to click on we need to execute that MSI file. Then after we need to execute the we need to accept the terms and conditions, and finally we need to install. Clear it, everyone? Kindly respond. Hello.
Yes.
Right. Anybody coming through computer? Kausalya, Rohit, Sugan.
Yes, sir.
So can I make you as host, Kausalya, in order to install in your computer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now see here. Share your screen, Kausalya. Click on the share up button option. Unmute yourself, Kausalya. Click on the share option. Yes, yes, perfect. Entire screen you need to select. Okay, not any particular screen. You need to select first option, screen option. Okay, yes. Wait 1 second. So this is what you have. So you have D drive also, right? So now go to the Google Chrome, Kausalya. Go to the Google Chrome. Hello. Yeah, go there. Yeah, type there google.com. Google.com. Yeah, press enter. Okay, type there Kausalya, Notepad++ download in the search box. Type there Notepad++. Yeah, type there Notepad++ download. Remove that whatever it is there in the text box. Remove that. Type the Notepad++. Plus plus, not plus, not cluster. Kausalya, listen. Notepad++. See that. Second one. Note array plus. Yeah, type that download. Okay, clear. See, it is coming like this. Now click on the first one, stable and auto update. First one, not second one. Yes, click there. Now wait 1 second, scroll down. Click on that download button, download Notepad++. Yeah. Yes, now click on the MSI file. Yellow. Click on the download button, Kausalya. I think it is installing. Not there, Kausalya. How many times do you install? In the download button, I'm telling, yeah, there only. Yeah, anyone click there? Anyone click there? Wait 1 second. Is it asking yes or no? Speak, Kausalya. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Kausalya. Click on the mic symbol. Yeah. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Without telling, don't click anywhere. Okay. Right. Now click on next. Click on accept. I agree. Next. Next. Install. Right. Run. Yeah. Finish. Yeah. Maximize it, Kausalya. Maximize. Not that above icon. Above icon. Little bit above. Nah, not there. Not there. Above. Yeah. Go above, Kausalya. Yes. Again, little bit above. Okay. I think in the Zoom we are not able to see. Right. Okay. Leave it like that. Now go to the file explorer, Kausalya. Click on the yellow color folder symbol. Yellow color folder symbol is there, right, in the bottom taskbar. Yellow color folder symbol. Where are you seeing, Kausalya? Yes. Click there. Now click on the D drive. D drive. Left side below bottom D drive is there, Kausalya. Yes. Above that is network. Above that. Array. D drive, Kausalya. Above network there is a OSD new volume D is there, right? Click there. D. Left side. Kindly listen. Click on this PC kindly. Hello. Kausalya, are you getting my voice? Kindly unmute yourself. Don't mute yourself. Unmute yourself. What happened? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Click on the file explorer, Kausalya. Click on the file explorer. Go to the file explorer. Not here, Kausalya. Yellow color folder symbol. Not notepad plus. Click on the yellow color folder symbol. Bottom. Yeah, click there. Click on this PC. See that there is D drive also available, right? Click on the D drive. Open that. Double click. Yeah. UI HTML programs already have created or what? Open that. Okay, go back, Kausalya. Click on the back button, Kausalya. Go back. Yeah. Created a new folder. Kausalya -UI practice. Your name. -UI letters, small letters only. All letters small. UI, small letters. Hyphen practice. PRACTICE practice. CTI, not T. CTI, PRACTICE. Press the enter. So whatever you have typed here only we need to save. Okay, now go to Notepad++. Kausalya. All, yeah, click there. Take a new tab, Control N. Control N, Control N, right there, anything right, hello right there, HELLO, hello. Now we need to save, yeah, type that Control yes. See, don't type anything. See, where we are saving, we need to observe always where it is saving. OS program files notepad plus. This is not the location. Click on the left side D drive, Australia. Below OS, see there is D drive. Below that there is D drive. Yeah, click there. Click on the Kausalya UI practice. First one. That is the purpose. Yeah, click there. Now say type here. Remove that new two. Remove that new two. Remove that. Yeah, remove the new also. Right. Basic underscore HTML underscore tags. Basic underscore never separate with space. Okay, separate with underscore or hyphen only. Now basic underscore HTML underscore tags, TAGS tags dot HTML. Are you writing dot? Okay, now click on the save. Yes, that's it. Clear it, Kausalya, how to practice is, how to save. Respond.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So yeah, right. Very good. Now make myself as host, Kausalya. Stop screen sharing. You are seeing the option called stop share option on the top. Stop share button. You are seeing, right? Hello. Yeah. Now click on the participants. You will see an option called participants. Seeing, Kausalya? Don't mute yourself. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Click on the participants tab. Participants. Find Kausalya. Participants.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are finding my name, right? Ramesh Trainer. See there? Ramesh Trainer.
Yes, sir.
After mic symbol, there is a red color video icon is there. Over there. After mic, there is a red color video icon is there. Over there. You will see 3 dots horizontally. Right?
Okay, sir.
Click there. So see there is an option called make post. Seen the Kausalya?
No, sir. I have.
Participant, did you click it? Or else not clicked it? Participants.
Yes, sir. I.
Okay, are you finding my name, Ramesh Trainer?
Yes, sir.
After Ramesh Trainer, right side, mic symbol is there, right?
Okay.
After mic symbol, there is a video icon is there, right? Red color video icon with slash. After mic symbol.
Disable, sir. That.
Over and click there on the video icon, over and click.
3 dots there.
Yeah, there click.
Yes, sir.
There you are seeing an option called make post. See it properly. Make post.
Make host.
Yeah, click there.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Change host.
Yeah, right. That's what. Do it. Yes. Thank you, Kaushal. Okay. Right. Understand that,
Okay.
Kaushal? Yeah. How to
Yes,
install, how
sir.
to practice it. Okay. Right.
Yes.
So others also understand, right? Jitendra, Praveen, Rohit, Sugan. Respond everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. See here, everyone. That is completed. Now I want to read the basic code. Kaushal, you need to change your code like this. You have just saved, right? Basic HTML tags. There, where, what is that thing I am going to teach you right now? That thing you need to write. Okay. Not right now. I will give you some time. Okay.
sir.
Yes. So a second. So first thing is we need to write this line. What is that? Doc type HTML. Sir, what is this doc type HTML? This tag, this is not a tag. What is this, everybody? Remember, this is not a tag. This is an instruction. What is it, everyone? Instruction. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello. This is an instruction to the web browser that the HTML version is 5. It will instruct the web browser. The HTML version is 5. No need to specify here version also 5 like that. Automatically the browser can understand. Doc type HTML. Then after each and every HTML page should start with HTML tag. Each and every HTML page start with HTML tag. Okay, right. Then after HTML has two child elements. Two child elements. What is that? Head tag and body tag. See, when I am opening head tag, immediately I am closing, and then only I am opening body tag, and then I am closing the body tag. These are the basic things. Now press there enter in the head tag. Now we need to know what is the importance of the head tag and what is the importance of the body tag. So head tag importance is we are designing a web page, right? So whenever you are designing the web page, we need to specify the information. Okay, we need to specify the information about that web page also. To whom we need to specify? Sir, to whom we need to specify? So to whom we need to specify is we need to specify to the browser, we need to specify to the user, we need to specify to the search engine also. Or that everybody, we need to provide the information about our web page for the user purpose, for the browser purpose, for the search engine purpose also. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes.
So yeah, how we can specify the information? By using title tag, by using meta tag or meta keywords. Okay, like this. For example, here I am writing title. Title open, title close. Right here, basic HTML tags. Now save it. Press there Control S in order to save. See where it is coming? Program files, Notepad++. This is not the location I want. What should I do? For our class purpose, I have decided to save in the D drive, UI classes, online classes. Here I want to create a new folder. What is that? Ramesh hyphen UI hyphen class hyphen July hyphen August, because same thing, hyphen 2025 5 p.m. Understand, everybody? I need to recognize your application folder only. Okay, your class folder only. Now press the enter. Yes. Now see here. This is the folder I have created. There I am saving. So we should save the file name with the topic name. For example, basic underscore HTML underscore tags. Basic HTML tags underscore example dot, what is the extension? Dot HTML. Now save it. What is that, everybody? Dot HTML. Now we need to execute. So in order to execute, that is very simple. Click on the view folder. What is that? View menu. What is that, everyone? View menu. Click on the fifth option. What is that? View current file name. You need to choose any one of the browsers. These browsers we need to install manually. Just because of you are clicking here, automatically they need to come. They don't come. Okay, automatically they don't come. We need to install manually. If that browsers are available in the computer, then only they will work. For example, in my computer, I have all these browsers. That's why I'm executing the Firefox. Observe here, everybody. Getting here information or not?
Yes.
That's what I want. Write it. Okay, so in the browser there are four bars. What is that? For example, if you press the Alt, okay, you are not able to see, but if I am pressing here Alt, something is coming. Okay, right. So if you press the Alt normally, you can see the menu bar. Then after whatever you are seeing here, what is this? This is title bar. Understanding that my point? Respond, Eva. What is this? Respond, please. Observe my cursor. What is this? Respond kindly. What is this bar? What is told about this? Title
Menu
bar.
bar. Title.
Okay. Title bar, menu bar, forget. Okay, it doesn't display normally. Okay, this is what title bar. This is URL bar. What is it, everyone? URL bar. If you enable bookmarks bar, it will come here. Now I did not enable that. And whatever the white space, empty space you are seeing here, that is the user interface area. Below bottom of this line, what is this? Bottom of this line, what is this? User interface area. You are seeing here empty white space, right? That entire thing is user interface area. Clear it, everybody? What a browser contains?
Yes.
Okay, first thing is title bar, URL bar, and this user interface area. The center thing is user interface area. And in the title bar, what are you saying? Basic HTML tags. So what is the advantage? It can be useful for the user. What page he is in. Why? Because if you are using a browser, we can open multiple applications or not. Respond, everybody. In a single browser, we can open multiple applications or not. Respond.
Yes.
See it in my computer also. I have opened, okay, my practice thing, and I have opened here Notepad++. I have opened here Google. I have opened here Zoom. I have opened here 2 Gmails also. So each and every tab is specifying what is the application. For example, by saying this, okay, this is Gmail. By saying this, okay, this is Zoom. By saying this, okay, this is Google. By saying this is the Notepad++. So by seeing these titles, I am recognizing which page is containing which type of application, which tab is containing which type of application. Understand my point? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
So it will be useful for the user and the browser, not only that, search engines also. Okay, right. And what is the other thing we need to specify here? I need to specify here meta char set equal to double quotations UTF-8. It is not mandatory, but better to specify. Why? Because we are writing here English alphabets and we are executing in the browser, and browser also giving the output. But what I'm specifying is these are all are English alphabet. They need to convert into binary code. So whenever they are converting into binary code, we need to specify for each and every character, it has to assign only 8 bytes. What is it, everybody? It has to assign only 8 bytes. That is what it will do. Understanding my point? This is related to interpretation, not related to programming, not related to output also. Clear it, everybody? Kindly respond.
Yes.
Right. Then after we need to specify here meta keywords. What is that? Meta name equal to double quotations greater than content. Meta name equal to keywords. Meta name equal to description. Content. Now see here, sir, why we need to use this keywords and description? For example, observe here, I am typing there Levi's shirts for men. What I'm typing here, everybody, Levi's shirts for men. What is coming? Levi.in. How? Sponsored. Bottom of that, Levi India is coming. And then after, Flipkart is coming. Then after, what is there? Myntra is coming. Understanding or not? Why? Because of the SEO. That SEO depends upon the meta name keywords and description. Now, for example, open here, click there. Okay, these are shirts I am getting, right? So now observe there Control U. Press there Control U. Observe here, everybody. What are you saying here? Meta name keywords. Meta name description. Coming or not? Respond kindly. Meta name keywords and meta name description. Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is the advantage? So if you are developing an application, not only you need to recognize the application, entire users in the world also should recognize the application. How that can be recognized by the application? By using the search engines. What is it, everybody? Search engines. There is famous search engine is Google. So whatever the application you are developing, that should recognize by the Google. If you are developing, if you are doing any business, that business nowadays should recognize by the Google. How that will recognize by the Google? By using these keywords under description only. By using these keywords under description only. Understanding my point? Respond kindly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Sir, what is the difference between keywords and description? Very simple. Whatever the keywords he may use in the Google search engine. What are see Notepad plus plus is a keyword. Download is another keyword. Notepad plus plus download is another keyword. So what are the keywords user may use? That keywords we need to guess and we need to keep here. See it everybody. Levi shirts, Levi shirt men's, Levi shirts for men. That is the keyword is matching here. That's why it is coming. And what is the description? How many whatever the content I am displaying here. Okay, here so many products I am displaying. So here how many products I am displaying that related summarize. We need to summarize that information and to provide here. Here how they have summarized Levi shirts shop from the wide range of Levi shirts online men and women. Choose from checked and everything. See they are summarizing the information and then they are displaying it here. So keywords means we need to guess the keywords of the user, what he will search in the Google, that keywords we need to write here. Summarize description means summarization of the web page. Understand everybody? Whatever the content we are displaying, we need to summarize that content and we need to display here. So that user Google will feel comfortable whenever it is reading your web application. So if anything is specified clear cut information, that particular application will come in the first place. Clear it everyone in the Google results. Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Others also respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
For example, see here, Levi's shirts. Levi's shirts for men. Here, Levi's shirts for men under 1500. So this page is used to display that one only. Clear it everybody? Okay, this is the advantage of the keywords and description. So that your application and especially your web page will recognize by the search engines, browser and users also. Then after sir only information only no. We can call here essential files. Sir, what are the essential files related to HTML? HTML is depends upon JavaScript and CSS. So if you want, you can write here internal JavaScript and internal CSS also. Or else if you want, we can call here external CSS and external JavaScript. For that everybody, we can call here external CSS and external JavaScript. If you want, we can write here internal CSS and internal JavaScript also. Clear it everyone? Can you respond? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right. Then after, what about the body tags? Very simple. Body tag purpose is whatever you want to display to the user in the user interface area. That related code we should write in the body tag. So whatever you want to display in the user interface area, this is the user interface area. So whatever you want to display to the user, we should write in the body tag only. For example, I'm writing here as I am Ramesh. Save it. Now let's come here. Press the control key plus F5 or else function key plus F5. See it everyone, here you are seeing I am Ramesh or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay everyone, this is how we can work with this. I am Ramesh. Clear it everybody how to practice with the UI technologies? Respond kindly. How to write the HTML, basic HTML code? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Okay, now same code write in your computer everyone. Write the same code, whatever I teach right now. Are you able to do right now or else you want to do it by tomorrow? Respond everybody. Except Sugan, other persons respond. Jitendra, Kaushalya, Praveen, Rohit. You want to display right now by writing it or else you want to display by tomorrow. That code. Whatever I teach right now here, that's what I'm asking. This one. Tomorrow?
We can do it tomorrow. Huh?
Yeah, okay. Tomorrow, Praveen, okay, right. Others? Okay. Do it by tomorrow, everybody. Okay. So do it by tomorrow. This is a basic class. Okay, everybody. One more time, I'm examining. Don't take the screenshots and don't record the sessions also. However, after making the payment, I will share with you the pre-recorded videos. Okay, entire topics will be covered. See here, everybody. First one is instruction to the web browser. That the HTML version is 5. Don't take the screenshots. Then after each and every HTML page should start with the HTML tag. It has two child tags, head and body. Head tag purpose is providing information in the form of title, keywords, and a description. It can be useful in the search engine purpose. Whatever nowadays, whatever the business you are doing, that business should recognize by the Google only. Okay, so that related titles, appropriate keywords, and description we need to keep. And we can call here external CSS and external JavaScript. Okay, in the header tag, or else we can write here internal CSS and internal JavaScript also in the header tag. And in the body tag purpose is whatever you want to display, whatever the content you want to display to the user in the user interface area, whatever the content you want to display to the user in the user interface area, that code we must write in the body tag only. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, right. So understand it, everyone. So please come tomorrow. Okay, yes. Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet and continue. Wait 1 second.